Hello everyone! In this video, we will install what's necessary to start programming in C#. During our training, we will be using the Windows operating system. Thus, we will install two software programs. First of all, we will go to Google and install the Visual Studio Community software. Community is the free and full version of Visual Studio. This software will allow us to write our code entirely and run our programs. Then, we will install the .NET 5 framework, which will allow us to develop on the latest framework created by Microsoft. So I'm going to click on the first link. To continue, you need to click on Download Visual Studio. As you can see below, the download has started. Click on the download and press on Run, and finally press on Continue. Before installing Visual Studio, we will check the different options necessary for the development. With Visual Studio, we can develop in C#, but also in C++ or in Python. We can develop games, mobile applications, etc. We will check only the options that we need. So check the first one, Web Development and ASP.NET, which will allow us to do web development. Then, go down and click on .NET Desktop. You can check on Mobile Development.NET as well. It's a framework that will allow us to create cross-platform mobile applications for iOS and Android. Finally, go down further and check on data storage and processing, which will help us to manage databases. Please note that you should be careful not to disconnect from the internet, because the download is very long due to the size of the options, as you can see here. Now you just have to click on Install, and I'll see you soon. Once Visual Studio is installed, go back to Google and type .NET 5, click on the download .NET 5 link. We will choose the SDK, which is the software development kit that will allow us to build our applications. Then, choose your operating system. Mine is Windows x64-bit. If you don't know if it's 32 or 64, you can click on the x86, or else go to the search bar below, type system and check if your operating system is Windows 32 or 64-bit. To continue, go back to the download page, choose your operating system and click on the download link. The download has started. Once finished, click on it and click on Run and eventually install. That's it. We installed everything we needed to start practicing. That's all for this video. Now, let's move on.